Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Prompt Engineering Pro Tips. Mastering the Art of Talking to AI. Imagine AI as a super smart but very literal new colleague or intern. Prompt engineering is the art and science of giving this colleague the best possible instructions, so they understand exactly what you want and give you the best possible results. Think of it like being a director for a brilliant actor. Your script, the prompt, determines their performance. For developers, this means understanding how to craft these precise instructions, often dynamically, within your code to get the AI to do specific tasks for your applications. Just like your first program might print, "Hello world," single quote. Your first interaction with AI can be simple. A basic prompt is just a question or a command. For example, explain what an API is. The AI will try its best to answer. From a developer's perspective, this is often the simplest input you'd pass to an AI model. Perhaps from a user's text field or a predefined query in your code. A vague instruction like, write a story will get you a generic story. A specific one like, write a 2-paragraph short story about a brave squirrel finding a hidden acorn, set in a magical forest, for a 5-year-old, will get you exactly that. Think of it like writing a function. The more precise your parameters, your prompt details, the more predictable and useful the output. Developers need to either guide users to provide specific input or build prompts with specific details themselves to ensure consistent, high-quality AI responses. Imagine asking for advice without explaining the situation. The AI needs background information. If you want it to summarize an article, give it the article. If you want it to write an email, tell it who it's for and what it's about. This is like passing relevant data to a function, without the correct data context. The function, AI, can't perform its task correctly. For developers, this means including relevant text, data, or previous conversation turns within your prompt. You can tell the AI to act as a senior software engineer and explain this concept, or, you are a friendly customer support bot. Answer this query. This shapes its tone, vocabulary, and perspective, making its responses more appropriate for your use case. It's like setting a specific class or object type for your AI's behavior, ensuring its responses align with the desired role you've assigned it within your application. Don't expect perfection on the first try. If the AI's answer isn't quite right, refine your prompt. Can you make that shorter? Add more technical details. Rewrite it from a different angle. This is an iterative process, much like debugging code or refining a UI design based on feedback. Developers often build chat interfaces or sequential prompt chains that facilitate this back and forth refinement to achieve the desired output. AI can generate text in various structured formats. Give me 3 bullet points. Format it as a JSON object with keys, name, and age. Write it as a Python function. This is incredibly powerful for developers, as it allows you to get structured data directly from the AI, which can then be easily parsed and integrated into your applications, saving you time and effort. Sometimes it's easier to tell the AI what not to do. Do not use jargon. Avoid discussing politics. Do not exceed 100 words. These are like validation rules or error handling in your code. They help prevent unwanted outputs and keep the AI's responses within safe, useful, and relevant boundaries, ensuring your application behaves as expected. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.